make the DiGA Fast Track one of the most promising business model opportunities for digital therapeutics in the world. Hi, my name is Jonas and you're watching Beta Shorts Digital Health Edition. Our topic today, the DiGA Fast Track. The DiGA Fast Track is managed and governed by the German Federal Institute for Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices, BfArM. In order for your product to be reimbursed as a DiGA, you have to be listed in the BfArM's DiGA directory. For a successful application, your product needs to meet the technical DiGA criteria, such as being a medical device, data security, data privacy, and further quality requirements, and you have to present sufficient clinical evidence. In order to be eligible for DiGA reimbursement, the following criteria have to be met. The product has to be based mainly off of digital technologies, and it has to serve the purpose of generating a medical benefit for a patient. Said medical benefit has to be caused by the interaction between patient and DiGA and cannot be too much influenced by the effects of drugs or interventions of healthcare professionals. The product also has to be certified as a medical device in the European Union, and it has to meet the respective technical requirements for data security, data privacy, and other quality requirements. It also has to at least provide preliminary evidence demonstrating the superiority of the product over care as usual. If you have a digital product that is able to increase health outcomes for a specific patient group, the DiGA status provides you access to all patients under statutory health insurance in Germany. That is 90% of the population. The price points of around 230 euros after price negotiations for a 90 days prescription in combination with the reasonable go-to-market timings of under 2 years make the DiGA Fast Track one of the most promising business model opportunities for digital therapeutics in the world. Thank you very much for listening. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us anytime.